Well, I welcome you back once again. Um, Please, this is your Root Academy, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create music, a powerful music using AI tool. Now, let's start. The first we are going to use here is voicemode.net. So let's open our address bar and type voicemode.net. Okay, so when the site open, you locate this section, text to song. So let's wait for it to complete loading. Then we select this one, text to song. So let's select it. Then we go to this section and click on generate song free. Okay, so we have these features here. So we are going to use 4 steps. The first one is to select our tune, the tune I want. So there are so many tunes here we are going to select from. So you can select from any of them. So let's preview this one and see. Okay, so if that one is okay for you, just use it. Or let's use this one. Okay, so these are Christmas tunes. So let's scroll up and see. Maybe you want to create a birthday song for someone. So you can okay, so if you want to use this one too, you can use it. So let's say we want to use this one. So let's select the birthday song and then click on next. Okay, so now let's go to the step 2. So step 2, we are going to select the singer. The person is going to make the song, the vocal, the vocalist. Yes, so we have so many, the males and females here. So let's select one of them and then preview it here. So click here to preview. Okay, so let's preview this one. So I think we can select this one. So let's select it and then click on next. Okay, so at this stage you need to write your lyrics. So maybe you don't have your lyrics. If you have your lyrics, then you're good to go. Just copy and then come and paste your lyrics here. But in your case you don't have the lyrics, I'm going to show you another AI tool that you can use to create your lyrics. So let's go to our address bar in a new tab and type gravitywrite.com. So this is also an AI tool that we're going to use to create our lyrics. So when you get to this site, let's scroll down. Let's scroll down and select start writing for free. Okay, so at this session you need to create an account. So if you already have an account here, just sign in with your Google. If you are new to this site, you need to go down here and create an account. Because I have an account here, so I just sign in with my Google and then select my email account that I use to create the account on this platform. So let's select this and then move forward. But don't forget, if you are new, you need to create an account, enter your details, and you're good to go. Okay, so this is the platform, this is the tool. Now at this particular section here, if you are using a phone, maybe your interface may be different, but this is what you need to do. If you're using your phone, you go to your extreme right, you're going to see some 3 dots or 3 lines there. Just click on it, just click on that line or dots, and then on the menu you are going to see desktop view or desktop site. Just take it, then you will refresh your page. You're good to go. You are going to see the interface in this form. Then at this particular section, let's scroll down. We are going to search for music tool. So let me take my time and go through, because there are so many things you can do with this particular AI tool. So okay, so you have the music tool here. So let's click on the music tool and click on song lyrics designer. Okay, So at this session, we are going to fill these questionnaires. So the first one is what concept or theme or idea for the song. So the song is about what? Maybe the song is about let's say God, God my Savior. So God my Savior. Okay. Okay. So God my Savior. Then what genre of music do you want to use? We want to use country. We use country as the genre. Okay. So then how many verses do you want to use? Okay, me I want to use just 2 verses because of training sake. I just want to use 2 verses. Okay, then how would you like the overall mood? So the mood of the song, I just want it to be a calm music, calm one, cool one. So at that stage, then you click on after filling these 4 questionnaires. Number 5, just leave that and then click on create content. So you're going to see that it will create your lyrics for you. Now you can see that we have created the 2 lyrics here. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to copy the first verse. Just highlight it, Control plus C to copy, and then we go back to our page where we are creating our song, and we come and paste it there. So now we have our lyrics here. So after pasting the lyrics, you click on create song. So our music is now ready. So let's scroll down and preview our music and see the output. So let's click here.
In the quiet of the morning, I feel your presence near through the struggles and the trials. You wipe away my tears, your grace and mercy.
Okay, so you can see that our music is now created. So at this stage, you just click on download, and it will be downloaded into your computer. So we want the audio size. So just click on song, and you have your music on your computer. Okay, so this is how to create a song. You can use you can create any lyrics, any kind of song that you want to play. You can just create it, and then you're good to go. So with the same this thing, you can just select the verse 2 and go there again, and with the same process you just create another verse. We also have another tool that we can use to create song. So let me add that one to this before I end this lesson. So that one is app.song.r.ai. It's also a tool that we can use to create our music. Now, so we are going to select the genre of music that we want to use. Okay, so previously we used country. So now let's use hip hop. Okay, I agree. Just agree and submit. Okay. So we are going to use hip hop. So let's select hip hop. And then we already have our lyrics. So because we are using gravity gravity right to write or to generate our lyrics. So I'll click on I have my lyrics. And then don't forget that we've already copied our lyrics. So we just come to this section and then you paste the lyrics there. Then you can give it a title. So let's say my Savior. A title, any title that you want, just give it to it. Then you come to this section, you're going to select the voice. So let's select. So we have 3 voices here. So we have the female and the male voice. So let me select the female voice, and then click on render. Okay, so we can now download our music. So let's download it from here. We just need the audio. Let's download the audio. Okay, so our music is not downloaded. So let's open it and see.
In the quiet of the morning, I feel your presence near. Through
Wow.
the struggles
So
and
so you
the
see,
trials.
this is also another AI tool that you can use to create music. So you see, if you have any little knowledge in music, you can use this one. You combine it and then you create your music. So this is AI tool for you. Okay, so I'll end this lesson here and